Ebo you, Menesi don't suffer, men no torment you. Right now, man, no glad you. Menesi don't suffer with them Baku campaign.
Hello and welcome to the program.
We are.
Today we get plenty things then for talk about. We will tell you now later why we sing this particular song here so. But before that, stay with me when I come back just now.
Welcome back. My name na Usman Justin.
And my name na Ali UCC.
Famulem, we go tell you the reason why make we sing this song today in our program. But before we go to that, we dey come with one very important issue concerning one we sister where we go Kuwait, we go facing so many problems and day where we all and in no be expect.
Well, I can always talk say sometimes God they use one person for make things happen. Plenty people then before we been done the rub mouth on this particular issue of this with sister na Kuwait. You get one sister where they call Adama, you get one other one where they call Memuna too, and get one guy where they call Abu Yoyo, and other Soyat people and been done really come on board. And we've been just person again we been come on board where in now according to the picking them, according to Awana to and sister them, then say this man squander money where they raise for them. We've been discussed that and now we own discussion been come up. So we still say, okay, we need for send way how we for do for the things will happen very fast for this picking. And then we decide for make a video. We ask them for do a video for we, you know, so we go able for send her out na the media, let plenty people then go able for know what exactly they happen. But we choose not for put your number another video the why.
Yeah, well, because to we know they only talk for less something can and for nobody. We they advocate for people the way they facing problems the way we're not supposed for Canada life, problems the way it be seen a very hard struggle, something. We they advocate for them at the end of the day, we they ask you for your personal number. So we they put them and display them. If anybody supposed to help you or want help you, they call you direct and give you this help. So tomorrow somebody not go say we give we had 1,000. Somebody not go give we had 1,000, and then you put it at the public tomorrow say you give we had 10,000.
So for avoid all of this, we decide for this lady give you number out, and indeed people come on board. You know, one woman from France and Paris, where they call Lucinda. I actually don't forget his surname. Lucinda come on board and we able to make one or two calls them, you know, we make the fast track, you know, this particular thing. Not to just that no more. Other people then come on board. Somebody from United Kingdom they come on board and say, well, it will take Awana to us and sister from this world to next world. And they been sent for a small money where for make it buy things them for go. But they not be able to buy the things them because the time where they order, it been done, the time where they fast the thing for them it will be too fast. But good thing now that this now the receipt for sure say they don't send the money, you know, for Awana to na saloon. And the good thing now that Awana to don't enter salon in peace. This love play on this video, this first one they play, they tell you about the 10 first way they tell and say it get for go na salon.
Good morning, good afternoon, my papa and my brother and sister. The Auntie Lucinda, the art program, I say, thank you for the effort I don't make for me at least. Don't see progress, and that's to say, I did study in Kaya, they say, I send this time inside this week, I go so I said, thank you. As soon as I see in the present situation, this for right now, the wounded don't do well now, don't well. Now, the scar mark, they don't want to put it. I see this.
Okay, Fambulen. As we all know see this video, let we watch the other video where they try to explain to we as if we don't move now, it reach now Ghana. Because as if they go, now so if they do video them, at the end of the day, we get for present them back to Una, where we come on board for help them. As we be present the first video, where Una see, where Una come on board. Let we watch this video.
Now, I Ghana, I didn't waiting. What do you self transfer for waste for logo salon right now? I don't come up with it. Now, I Ghana, right now, the waste for the fly scanner for the I know some more for now.
Well, that's not the video where in the Ghana, you know. But now it don't reach na salon. And this not the pictures them where it sent to we, you know, for sure say it actually don't reach. And for say it want for tell them plenty thank you. All the one they will sympathize with them, all the one they will put hands on board, all the one they will give money, the one they will sorry for them, all things. It say let me tell you now plenty thank you. Where is the love?
No love, me brother.
Where is the
so wicked and advantage. Seize advantage for people because they don't get power.
But why?
Well, I tell you, say so advantage because the very important thing we'll tell you, magician, say na Indian at the basket. Of course, now the main thing we'll get for talk concerning with sister Awana to Timbo, where we did Kuwait. Awana to Timbo be the Kuwait, of course. We almost, if one lost in life, the only God in hell and other Soriat people them. And we are. We all live inside the Soriat people them because Montamawi they talk not left yourself. But I want to don't go salon now. You remember say one Soriat person at Kuwait be feel for Awana to like in Piki where he born, where he been pledged for give Awana to $10,000. But unfortunately, when they go there, he not be able to give the bulk money. But I want to not go there in one. I want to go na this place to the man we forget this money with people the way they work na the Sierra Leone embassy na Kuwait. This man give Awana to money when at $5,000 cash inside envelope.
But that's not for this term. But few years back, you know, now only now when this thing can kick off, now I make we talk about.
I think it's about 2 years back.
Approximately. So now, when this man give Awana to this money, 5,000 inside envelope, Awana to take this money, pass and to one Mr. Mohammed, where they work na the Salon Embassy na Kuwait. For they go hold am, then say let they hold am for him until they ready for go, so they go give him. The man been promise say when Awana to ready for go, he go give him back. He go buy tickets and add for him for the money, but that's now other story. They're not able to get contact with the man anymore. But the 5,000 been there. Now, this speaking in come, this lady, if you don't come up, we don't kick him up, and somebody, good Samaritan, they don't come inside, people, they don't put her Lucinda, and all man don't come inside. Now, I want her to forgo. I want her to ask for this money. Then tell Awana to say, they don't take this money and send and go now the Ministry of Foreign Affairs na salon.
Can you imagine?
And they been supposed for tell Awana to of anything where they happen with that money day. But rather than send that money there without the consent of Awana to. And Awana to not send this money to, not give the embassy, say una send them for me to salon government. And not to donate it, they donate to the salon government. So why the embassy for send this money go na salon without Awana to consent?
Well, this now the other thing now, the other big problem about this now. Now I want to don't go salon. And where I want to ready for go salon with Fambulem. The sorriest part and the scene where I the plead so we all now we had for now we put hands together for help this young woman we miss for lost in life now Kuwait. I want to be ready for go. Can't see now where we Sierra Leone most of we were in a diaspora are we wicked. Why use this word? I want to go ask Mr. Mohammed where they work na the Sierra Leone embassy na Kuwait where he be give this money for keep. I want to go ask Mr. Mohammed for give this money where Mr. Mohammed tell I want to say he don't send this money na the foreign affairs na salon. Okay, we not get problem with that, but we get understanding now. Say I want to before they go collect this money na the foreign affairs na Sierra Leone day. Therefore, put camera before Awana to. Not only for sign for Imonio, therefore put camera before Awana to. When una listen, not to Sierra Leone government give this money, I want to. And we all know we had. Let's be frank. You understand? The meaning of the camera now, for them, they can put her in politics. Let them can put her in politics. They want politicize the whole show like where I want her to go. You don't can get this accidents. Now, Salon government go give this money. This is not the thing where they pay me right now. Why they for go put camera in front of money when the person will give this money self, no one then let them even disclose a name. He just give this money because of humanitarian feelings.
So, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Salon government, how una explain about this money? Why una they put camera? Okay, if una sell a sign, say they don't get money, that's a good thing. Yes, because sometimes they find for the person sign say don't receive money. Because they not go turn this, no, they come back and say, una not give me money. But why una they put camera? Okay, una want keep am na archive, I can understand. But una explain to the pikin. And the documents, please, una make and they clear say that money where that sorry at person in you now in this way they can give you, so sign for her. If una put her they say na Salon government scam, hey, shame on una. They are beg, that pikin don't suffer too much. Una not suffer again as Salon. Una show some love. Hey Salon, let me show some love. And I beg, that pikin get for do more surgery. He need more money, he still need money. Do ya? Whosoever when he come on board for help him, una not turn Lansana Sanko where be exploit and use them and eat all the money. Una show sympathy because I know say sometimes they can say nothing goes for nothing. Baraka siga baraka fana and gonna and come. So do you let us stand so this speaking don't suffer, it don't go through hell on earth. So please, una sorry for them now. Una not use them for make money from una private use them again. I beg. You know, one more time, I tell thank you to all the one that we don't help. The one that when we not sabi, we don't sympathize with them. The one that when we sabi, we don't sympathize with them. The one that we don't play front role. You know, especially Auntie Lucinda when I make the calls them for let this speaking go return. The one that we don't act behind, we don't the advocate before this time. You know, Abu Yoyo from the Yoyo Network, you know, Memuna to Adama, and all the other people, and even the Salon Union, all man, you know, we tell them plenty thanking. But again, you know, I can always say, God use one person. Thank God we can, when we kick this thing and use we own sense for do a video where we send them, you know, and plenty people and don't use that now. So we tell them thank you for one, they always patronize which we are. But still, if you watch this video and you not be part of We Are It, please, not to, you know, they pay anything. Just press the subscribe button and then you press the notification bell. Okay? Then it's over. But one thing where I want to ask again for we Salon people in a Salon, the ordinary people in the family of Awanatu and all, do you una not discriminate them? Una not begin use them thing and the way don't can face for cause them. This make some people and go into the system of trauma. Do you obey? And they call Mr. Duncan, you know, Pastor Duncan, a very good counselor down in a Salon right now. I go want for you come on board and counsel Awanatu. You know, you work in this go be timely. I please call on you, Pastor Duncan. You know, I don't know the organization name anymore, but I'll be used for the interview. You please come on board and then see how you can talk to Awanatu. Because for make it go take back, you know, a commotion Salon very fine one and then they go with damage and scar, you know, it go get for the take the think of them. Please do not cancel them. The government of Salona, please provide counselor for them. So it go able for put them back to a normal sense, yeah? Because it's really not easy. So do ya, and not say apart from the 5,000 where for me are very bloody and mad about, una go treat them very well. I tell una plenty thank you. Yeah? My name na Ali Sise, and this na my brother Osman Justin. Now let's move on to another thing. Good thing they happen, bad thing they happen.
And other thing, I tell you something the bad one I left for Aesop. That they will rub much for them. But maybe by our next program, we will give people the full update of them. We don't understand say they don't owe the police and the soldiers some amount of bag of rice them.
About 5 or 6 months now.
5 or 6 months now, they don't give them.
Then they give them.
We don't understand say then they try for work on something where they want stuff for give them the rest.
No, tell me that one.
I tell you something,
Caretaker Bio, you get for declare austerity now we are. Because it's on our hide this. The two and the all thing on tranga now, all thing the lock no austerity measures them now want to put in a declare that day. Now then maybe be like and the other person hide the himself. That for my one. And that for my we just commodity. That Panes. Bobo White here. But he declare, well, we alone, we don't face austerity. But it's an excellent people and the tower, they no angry.
We really don't understand what they go.
Yeah, like he said, no, we fail way forget property. We want them back.
Full package, the full one, but the rest for the police and the soldiers.
But I think saying that because Lima they use them too much, I make them want get their angry now, so they go take training.
Because they say now, as they say, shoot, they begin to go push. Some of them guys and they wanna kill them, so now begin to kill them. So
can't take us now. Wanna eat, wanna get rest per month. I mean, wanna do so. Anyway, we go left down the back. Let's go to another one. Quick one. Passport. You get passport?
Not only get a one.
Almost you bam.
If I get myself,
Almost.
Again for expire, the passport abam for 750,000 leons.
Where you down the door expire, where you go back, you almost the bam. 950.
Now that we just go ahead, we don't see, then they put in a paper back.
But wait, oh, caretaker, una been talk say una no go green let this passport go. In fact, una go make it a bit cheaper than 750.
Now that's them tell we
10,000. But
that's what they say.
Now, I always tell una say, when we in a salon go for control anything, let we very be careful of how they talk. Yeah, because like we don't about say the passport for candle, but not knowing that the passport the trip they go up. From 750 begin calculate by 50, 8, 850, 9, 200,000.
Double bump. And then it's gone too low, bruh.
200,000.
Bruh, man, and it's gone too low. Angry man, angry so, bruh.
You go get passport money?
We say, bruh, Gary, they ask me, say, no, it's Gary now 1,500, they ask me, say.
So I will get passport now for begin go Kuwait, for go cross the Mediterranean.
But they don't want to travel again, bruh. They want to kill you inside the same old number now. No doubt angry, bruh.
You sure say, you know go buy them?
I go to buy a
job. How you get that you buy on a politician?
That bruh no they perform well, bruh. Now use that bruh, they use me no more way, they can't give man boku alcohol, man, and drink.
But we see the last day you wear polo.
You know, see I don't pull the polo, I don't put it in a corner.
You say you sleep right now?
Now teeth, man, they sleep, bruh.
So now, you don't see na teeth you sleep. What you go eat now with the gap here?
But now God give no more now. You know, a past man go do bad, bruh.
So what you want to tell Lipa now?
Man, they tell Lipa, bruh. Lipa, man, then this gone slow. We see, man, Lipa, want to prove for man, yo. If you really prove, remember how man then dance for you, Lipa. Man, then dance, bruh.
Okay, so if the part for Epuna now, wait you are Epuna, you know they not still.
The man then give man, give man the job. That job not Lipa for give man the.
But wait you learn?
Well, man, I just tell Lipa, say, let Lipa go up inside there. We man they go land job. So at least one man they don't land job, man and get paper. And they will get fine work. You know it's I mean, now that Lipa for do for we, not so for the camera, man and can party office, man and can ETS, man and come. And you know they're not seeing for we man. So the part for open vocational institute at least man they will land job, different land
but them. Vocational institutes and they why you not go and go land?
And the money, bruh, they tell you say the gun dry. Some man they put money, think for it's not enough, think for go pay for them and land your money get. You know they understand.
Okay, I will talk to the pa for now.
I will talk to the pa, let the pa prove her become and they bloody the pa.
So what are you plan for 2023?
2023, why no more let the pa prove her? If the pa prove her no more 2023, they put her inside the bag.
So if you not prove her?
Mama no put her inside, they pull him and come out, they chifuta and the pa say no they believe. Let the pa no get confidence for who they change.
Alright. Pa don't hear.
I think for today on program, now yeah, we try for wrap up. We left Funaya with peace.
That became $5,000.
I want not to money. We are idepana.
That $5,000. I beg.
Idepana. Dia unagia.
I want not to Timbo. That picking we can suffer na wait. We don't go down a salon. They don't go for go enjoying life. Let at least they get family love back and country love. A cry for going and country because if he say don't missing country now. They are big and I don't go treat an stranger back. Then they for able for make it go fast small with whatever I want for do. Then they are then so you have people who are still a power not to need beaucoup operation.
Please, brothers and sisters.
That are the big. And anybody where the first right we don't put on for lay I want to business go before you are a big. I want to all put your hand together with one word and let the picking in your own interest go before. Until we meet again another day. My name na Ali Usise.
And me na Usman Justin.